In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate and add multiple languages to your Shopify store for free. With Shopify's built-in Translate and Adapt app, you can simplify the process of translating your store's content, including theme text and product descriptions, to various languages. The app's auto-translate feature, powered by Google Translate, makes this task even more straightforward, and you can always manually adjust translations to better suit your needs. Let's walk through this process together, step by step. First things first, you'll want to install the Translate and Adapt app. To do this, head over to your Shopify admin panel, then navigate to Apps and Sales Channels. Once you're there, click on Customize Your Store. In the search bar, type Translate and Adapt, and you'll find the app ready for installation. Install it into your Shopify store to get started on adding new languages to your site. Next, let's add some languages. Open up the Translate and Adapt app and navigate to the Languages section. Here, you'll see an option to add language. Click on that, and you'll be presented with a list of languages to choose from. Select the language you wish to add, and it will be incorporated into your list of available languages. After adding a language, it's time to make use of the app's auto-translate feature. Select the newly added language within the app and hit the auto-translate button. This will initiate the automatic translation of your store's content using Google Translate. It's a fantastic way to quickly provide translations, especially if you're trying to cater to an international audience. Once translations are generated, you'll want to thoroughly review and possibly edit them. Within the app, you'll find options to look over each category of translated text. Here, you can modify the translated text to ensure it's not only accurate but also culturally relevant. It's a good idea to modify images and videos where necessary too. Using Shopify's Markets feature can further enhance your translations, allowing you to cater different translations to specific regions. Once you're satisfied with your translations, it's time to make them live. Simply publish the language within the app, and this action will make the translated content visible on your storefront. Just like that, your store can begin reaching a broader audience through localization. Additionally, there's the option to manage your translations using CSV files. You can export these files for offline editing or bulk updates. After making your changes, importing the updated CSV files back into Shopify will apply them to your store. Finally, managing translations is flexible with the Translate and Adapt app. You can alter translations for both languages and specific markets, which is particularly useful for adapting language or terminology to match regional variations. By following these steps, translating your Shopify store into multiple languages becomes a manageable task, allowing you to present a polished and localized experience to your customers worldwide.